Hello friend, as you can see I'm standing in my field and recording my video. So, gentle breeze, it is blowing. We call in Hindi, halki halki hawa chal rahi hai. You know, this is really amazing. The scenario is so beautiful, and this gentle breeze plus this ground, this greenery, garden, it is really rejuvenating me. It is energizing me. When I come here, I feel that I can do anything. It gives me energy. That is why I feel very much powerful when I be in nature. I feel grounded. I feel I have potential to do anything. This ground or earth or this greenery, this environment make me feel so good. I can't even explain in words. So whenever I come here, I feel so fresh, I feel energized, and I feel that I can do anything in my life. So I want to ask you one question. Do you have such place? Do you also feel that this place is giving me energy or motivating me or making me feel that I can do anything? If yes, then don't hesitate to write in the comment box. I just want to see, does it happen with me only or does it happen with others? Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. My friends, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I practice English language every single day. How many hours I give for speaking English language and with whom I practice. I believe if I share this thing, it can help you, right? For that reason, I'm going to share with you and what you have to do. Stay connected this video until it ends, if it's possible, okay? So, my friend, what happened? When I was a beginner, at that time, I didn't have any idea what to do, what not to do, how many hours I should practice because I had never ever joined any spoken classes. And so far, I haven't joined any spoken classes, okay? So, I didn't have any plan or I didn't know how to start speaking English language. But what I did, I was watching YouTube videos and I came across one video, and in that one I saw one lady, she was speaking English language, not very fluently, but little bit good way. Then I thought that, oh God, she's a housewife. If she can speak this language, I think I can also speak. Before that, I had never ever thought to speak this language because I was thinking it's a really difficult language or it's really difficult things to utter a single word in English. But when I saw that lady was speaking, it just changed my perspective. I thought, okay, no matter what, I would definitely speak this language in future. And I decided, and from that day onwards, I started watching multiple of videos regarding English, that how to improve English and how to introduce yourself, how to learn vocabulary, how to translate, how to learn grammar. So many things I did after that video, And then when I started listening and I started understanding, then I thought that let's try to speak. So I found one app and over there I started speaking. And I had a lot of time but less word. Okay. I wanted to speak a lot. But I wasn't able to speak. As a beginner, I didn't have a lot of words. I didn't have a lot of confidence and sentences also. So what I did, somehow I started introducing myself. After that, I started getting, courage. I thought, okay, if I start, introduce myself, even I think I can become little bit fluent in introduction only. So I did it for a couple of months. I was learning grammar one side. On the other hand, I was talking with people and most of the time I used to introduce. But gradually things started changing and I started speaking. And you won't believe, my friend, when I spent 3 months, after that, when I could explain things little good way, so I took this language very seriously, and I started giving hours and hours, not only few minutes, because I had a lot of time. I used to devote all my time for learning this language, you know. So I didn't count how many hours I used to practice. When I would go my farm, I would carry my mobile phone and talk to people. When I used to cook, I used to listen. When I used to go for sleeping, I used to listen. After getting up, I used to listen. I would say I was completely engrossed in this language, you know. And as a result, after 6 months, I started speaking little good way. I had a lot of confidence, and I was good enough to talk with anyone, but not very fluent. Okay, so if you are a beginner and you are wondering that how many hours I should give, my friend, don't count. If you have a lot of time, try to give, because the more time you give, the better you are going to become in short period of time. But if you give less time, the chances are that you can take a lot of time to improve your English. Okay, so you might be asking another question that how many hours do you give nowadays? My friend, nowadays I practice, I believe 3-4 hours. It depends on my spare time. If I get a lot of time, so I talk to my friends, and most of the time I talk to my friends, because when I started learning this language, I got 3-4 genuine friends, and I started practicing with them, so they are also very serious about learning this language. And when I found that they were serious, I thought, okay, they can help me to improve my English, and I can also help them. So I practice with them. Okay, so I think you must have got your two answers. One, how many hours I practice, and with whom I practice. I practice with my friend, and I use some speaking application also. As I have already mentioned many a time, 2-3 application I use for speaking practice. But the thing is that when I get a lot of time, that time I go over there. Otherwise, I talk to my friend. My friend, I want to share with you one incident. Today when I came here to record my video, so there were many children, they were playing cricket. So when they saw this mobile and selfie stand, then they got curiosity that what she is doing like that. So many questions they may have got, right? So they came to me and they were asking that what are you doing? Can we come in your videos? I said, why not? If you don't make noise, I'll definitely like to record with you people. There is no problem. Okay, so they came, and only they got their picture clicked. Afterward they were over the moon. They were very excited. They were very happy. As you can see, my friend, they all are going. Actually, they were creating a lot of noise. And now I would say they are playing cricket. They don't have proper bat and all, but still they are enjoying. My friend, I have noticed that in city area, small children, they are hardly going outside. They are playing indoor game most of the time, which is not good for their physical health and all. But coming to villager boy, still they are little away from the mobile phone, and that is the result that they are in farm and playing the cricket and enjoying their life. Let's see how far it can go, because every home they have mobile phone, and now little bit student, they are engrossing watching videos. Not only student but children, they are getting busy in watching videos, in playing game. That is good for for few minutes, but not for whole day, right? But this is impacting them so badly. My friend, you have to start if you want to reach somewhere. So I started learning this language. I started listening, reading, speaking, and that is why I reached here. In your case also, if you want to reach somewhere, if you want to get fluency, then start from today onwards. Don't hesitate while making mistakes. If you make mistakes, no problem. A lot of people are out there that they will judge you, but no problem at all. Just let them judge and do your work. Okay? Second thing, how many hours I practice. As I told you that earlier I did not used to count, but it totally depends on my spare time. If I have a lot of time, then I give according to that one. If I don't have a lot of time, then I just give few minutes or few hours only. If you ask that with to my practice, so I would say that I practice with strangers and I practice with my friends also, you know. So this is how I practice, and this is how I started learning this language, and I get this level, and I am trying that I will become better, you know. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.